Okay, I'm going to do a whole cross, all of the cutting process. This heavy 2x6 makes the bases of the cross. Now, I'm going to show you my measuring system. You're going to think how easy this is. I measure right here, look. Right here, that's the length that I look for. So I'm going to start throwing these on the bench over here. I need 4, but I'm going to shut up. Hot shut here. So if you're wondering, from there to there is 10 inches. And my next measurement is double that. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. That's 20 inches right here. I don't know. Here, let me show you again, slower. I'm marking it right here. I'm going to move it over and cut it. That's 20 inches. And now I'm going to set my crossbar length right there. That's 20 inches. Half of that. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Here's a crossbar and a column. So I've got everything set up. Look. First, I cut my 20. And now I know I got enough to cut 2, so I'm going to go ahead and cut 2. Right here, I'm just holding it even on the end here. Look, take a look how I set my gauge here. So you just get used to moving your finger there, or looking at it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it sure makes it easy to chop down a pile of lumber. Okay, I'm going to move these 2 over to my cut table for a second. I'm going to show you the last cut. This is set at 40 inches. Right here. So, that's 20 and 20. I'll show you when I stack them on the table. Come over here, I'll show you all my measurements. Okay, I got the cross piece. 2 crossbars, 20 and 20 is 40, close enough, and the feet. Now, I'd like to show you how I assemble these. There's several ways. It's like a wing pattern, it's really easy. Do it this way, and it saves cutting out notches and everything. I'm strengthening them up by adding another nail. Okay, I showed you where I cut a crossbar, but I'm actually going to use this. I'm going to go with one that I'm using for tomorrow's spur vigil. Right here in Chicago. That's the only difference. And sometimes I tighten up some of my nails here. Doesn't hurt. Right there, it's sticking out a little bit. And that is a done cross. show you what I did do is I wrote a serial number on here. The name Chicago, April the 25th, 218. Okay, thank you very much. Off we go. So let me show you what the finished measurements are if you want. Here's my tape measure. 21 inches right there. Overall length, it should be 42, around 42. And these bottom pieces are 10 inches each. You can use a 3x3 or a 4x4 there. Doesn't matter what size that is. Okay, thanks for watching.